In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add flip animation in Wix Studio. Animations are a fantastic way to bring your website to life, making it more dynamic, engaging, and enjoyable for your visitors to explore. Whether you're designing a portfolio, an online store, or a blog, adding animations like a flip effect can help emphasize important elements and give your site a professional touch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to apply a flip animation to any element on your Wix Studio website, all without needing any coding experience. So let's get started. First things first, open your preferred browser and navigate to the Wix Studio website. Wix Studio is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're on the official site to access your projects. Once you're there, locate the Login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. Next, you'll need to log into your account. If you already have your credentials ready, go ahead and enter them in the provided fields. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can choose the Continue with Google option to log in with your Google account. This method is both quick and convenient, especially if your browser is already signed in to your Google account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Wix Studio dashboard. From here, select the specific website you're working on and navigate to the page where you'd like to add the flip animation. Once your site editor is open, identify the element that you want to animate. This could be a text box, an image, a button, or any other element on your page. Click on it to select it. This step is important because it ensures that the animation will be applied to the correct part of your website. Once you've selected the element, you'll notice a small animation icon appear. It's typically located in the toolbar or settings menu that pops up when you click on an element. Go ahead and click on the animation icon to access the animation settings. Now, you'll see a menu with a variety of animation options. From this menu, select the category labeled Entrance Animations. These are animations that play when the element first appears on the screen, and they're perfect for creating impactful first impressions. Once you've selected this category, click on the Add button. This step prepares the element to receive an entrance animation. After that, it's time to locate the flip animation. Scroll through the list of available entrance animations until you find the one labeled Flip Animation. Wix Studio offers a variety of animation styles, but for this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on the flip effect. Once you've found it, click on it to apply the animation to your selected element. Before finalizing your work, it's always a good idea to preview the animation to make sure it looks exactly how you want it to. To do this, click on the Preview button. This will give you a live demonstration of the animation and show you how it integrates with the rest of your web page design. Take a moment to check whether the timing, speed, and overall flow of the animation fit the look and feel of your site. If you're happy with it, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully added a flip animation to an element in Wix Studio. This simple yet eye-catching effect can make your website stand out and help guide your visitors' attention to the most important parts of your page. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.